Hi, my name is Hector, and I'm 70 years old, and I've been into health and nutrition for 56 years. Okay, long time, and I should have learned something by then, so I want to pass that on to you. I got a question here somebody asked me, and I want to answer it, to give you the answer for that. Question 147: What is the best and most beneficial night sleep? 147: What is the best and most beneficial night sleep? Okay. As I've mentioned before, the best time to be asleep, I mentioned it a few times, is from 2 a.m. until 10 p.m. at night, and you should have your strongest, most restful sleep. So just remember that it takes a while for you to get to sleep, and don't go to sleep at 10 o'clock and think that you're just going to pass out unless somebody hits you over the head with a hammer. But so allow for that time. But one of the things that creates good sleep is your ability to disengage from your problems, disengage from your issues during the day, disengage from your fears, from your anxieties. All that is really, really important. And if you are going to sleep at the right time at night, and you stopped eating 2 hours before you went to sleep, and you're able to do some kind of relaxation and just break away from anything that has been bothering you during the day. If you sleep from 10 p.m. until 2 a.m., you're going to get the best, most restful sleep, and you're going to be very rested in the morning, very energetic, and you'll be able to do your day-to-day activities without having any issues. So sleep is very, very important. Take it very seriously. Make sure that you do get sleep. And by the way, magnesium is really good for sleep. Seems like magnesium is good for everything, but magnesium is good for sleep. So take it before you go to sleep, and it'll help you get a good night's sleep. Thanks, and I hope that this has been helpful to you. And until the next question, I guess.